How to remove links from Facebook page bio. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to remove links from Facebook page bio. First of all, you have to open your Facebook and tap on top your profile icon. After that, here you have to click on top right 3 dots. Here you can see you have to click on this 3 dots. After that, here you have to again click on top edit button. Now you will see the option of link at the bottom. You have to click on edit in front of the link. Here you can see, you have to click on this edit. After that, you will see the link of the website at the bottom. You have to click on the pencil icon in front of it. Now here you have to click on remove website at the right bottom. As soon as you click on it, the website link will be automatically removed from your Facebook profile or page. In this way you can remove website link from Facebook page or profile. Thanks for watching this video.